Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to delete comment history on TikTok. So, guys, if you ever wondered on how to clear the comment history on your TikTok account, first you could just simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application into your device. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen, and now over here on your profile, guys, you could just simply select the three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Now over here, you could just simply go for settings and privacy down below. Now here, guys, you will have an option over here, content and display category, and you will have activity center. So you should be able to access your comment history on the activity center. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, over here, guys, as you can see, you will have multiple options that you can do. So for this specific video, we have a comment history. So go ahead and tap on a comment history. And you should be able to see all of the comments that you did throughout your account. So guys, of course, to delete the comment history on TikTok. So guys, sadly, as of today, there are no buttons in order for you to delete the comment history all at once. So guys, to proceed with this process, you have to select your comment or select the video. And after that, from here, you should be able to see your comment, and you have to hold it, and you have to delete it manually one by one. So guys, maybe in the future, TikTok will consider on having an option to delete all the comments at once. But as of today, there are no option to do that. You have to do it one by one in order for you to proceed with this process.